Watching Idaho's News Channel 7, this is the News at 4.
Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us here on the News at 4. I'm Shira Matsuzawa. Doug has the day off. And we begin in Washington. New developments today in the investigation into former President Trump's handling of highly classified documents. A federal judge says he is inclined to ultimately unseal portions of the affidavit justifying the FBI search of the former president's home, though the judge ordered the Justice Department to choose what sensitive information to redact. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest on this highly unusual move.
The mounting legal troubles surrounding former President Trump on display today in two separate courtrooms. In Florida, a federal judge deciding a key question about those classified documents the FBI seized from the former president's Mar-a-Lago home. The judge saying he believes portions of the affidavit justifying the search could be unsealed and ordering the Justice Department to file what it wants redacted by next Thursday. Judge Bruce Reinhardt hearing arguments from media organizations, including NBC News, who've pressed for the affidavit to be released because of public interest. The Trump legal team has not formally joined that push, despite him and his allies making public demands.
We want it released. We want full and complete transparency for the American people.
The Justice Department arguing the release would significantly compromise its ongoing criminal investigation into the former president's handling of sensitive documents that federal prosecutors said today is in its early stages and put key witnesses at risk.
Their national security interests, their criminal interests, their concerns about witnesses.
Meanwhile, in New York today, the ex-chief financial officer of the Trump Organization, Alan Weisselberg, pleading guilty to tax fraud charges in a case involving the company's business dealings. He has not agreed to testify against Donald Trump, the former president profiting from his problems.
Every moment where Donald Trump's name is in the news on any subject is a moment to raise money for Donald Trump.
The Washington Post reports he's been fundraising off the FBI search, bringing in nearly $1 million a day last week. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.